Hi, Kevin from Darby Training Systems. We're going to be doing some more hip mobility work with the band. We're going to be using our DTS mobility bands. You can purchase these by visiting Darby Training Systems and clicking on our store. We're amongst the lowest prices you'll find for mobility bands on the internet. Height-wise, we want to be about mid-thigh height. So we're going to loop it around a surface that's stable. Remember, you're going to be pulling on this, so with your weight, you want to make sure that it doesn't tip. So from this position here, I pull the band up as high on my leg as I can without squeezing any parts. So once it's in this position, that leg is at the rear, I simply drop forward and allow it to traction. So I'm just dropping forward and allowing the traction to happen on that hip. I drop forward, allowing the traction to happen on that hip. From that position, I turn around. I'm going to take this leg to the rear as far back as I can. And then I am going to lean away from where the band is and open my chest up to the ceiling. I'm going to lean to the side and then open my chest up to the ceiling. Final one, leaning to the side and opening my chest up to the ceiling. Final sequence here, I suggest that you hold the band together with your hand, or what you'll find is it'll slip out of position. So I step wide here and I simply lunge away and I get the traction at a different angle. So I lunge away here and you can move that hip forward and back. Forward and back to change where you're getting the traction occurring in the hip to open up that full hip joint. So this is an alternative technique that you can use for creating some traction or distraction at the hip joint. Remember, you have to be mobile to move.